In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved posts on Reddit. If you've ever stumbled across a post that you wanted to revisit later, but aren't sure how to locate your collection of saved posts, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you'll be able to access your saved content at any time. First, let's start by opening Reddit. Whether you're using a web browser on your computer or the mobile app on your smartphone, the process is pretty similar. For those of you using a desktop or laptop, go ahead and open your web browser and head over to reddit.com. If you're on your phone, simply tap the Reddit app to get started. Now, let's make sure you're logged into your Reddit account, as your saved posts are connected to your personal account. Without logging in, you won't be able to view your saved content. Enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the Reddit homepage, where all the buzz from the communities you follow is happening. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen if you're on the desktop version. You'll see an icon or possibly an avatar representing your profile. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various sections of your account. If you're using the mobile app, focus on the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find a profile icon. Give it a tap, and you'll find yourself in your personal area of the app. Now, regardless of whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, what you're looking for next is labeled as either profile or directly saved. On the desktop, from the drop-down menu after clicking your profile icon, select Profile. Then, you'll see Saved in the category list above your profile overview. If you're on the mobile app, you might see the Saved option directly in the menu after selecting your profile icon. Click or tap on Saved, and voila! Here you'll find all the posts and comments you've saved over time. It's like your personal treasure chest of Reddit gems. Now you can scroll through and revisit the posts that caught your interest. Remember, your saved posts will remain there until you decide to unsave them, so don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you come across something you'd like to read later. If, at any point, you want to remove something from this list, simply return to the post, and you should see an option to unsave it. And that's it. It's super straightforward once you know where to look. I hope you found this guide helpful, and now you feel a bit more at home using Reddit. Feel free to explore and save as many posts as you like. Thanks for watching, and happy Redditing!